quiet space and choose a position, either sitting comfortably or lying down. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, feeling your lungs expand fully. Now, slowly exhale through your mouth, releasing all tension and stress. Take another slow, calming breath in, feeling relaxation spread through your entire body. As you exhale, let go of any remaining tension. And one more deep breath, breathing in peace and calmness, and as you exhale, feel your body sinking deeper into relaxation. With each breath, notice your body becoming more relaxed and your mind clearer. If thoughts come into your mind, gently acknowledge them without judgment, and then visualize them drifting away like clouds in a clear blue sky. Bring your attention to your breathing. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Imagine each breath as a calming wave washing away distractions and bringing a serene sense of clarity. Silently repeat to yourself, "My mind is calm, my thoughts flow easily." Continue breathing slowly and deeply, staying fully present. You are centered, focused, and in peace. If you still notice thoughts, continue observing them and letting them drift away. Take another deep breath in and out. Then silently repeat to yourself again, "My mind is calm, my thoughts flow easily." And continue breathing slowly and deeply. Then you feel ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, slowly bringing awareness back into your body. Eyes refreshed, calm, and fully concentrated.